Hi everyone, let's solve for x differently. Yes, we are going to approach this using a different method. I am going to see how interesting it will be. So let's solve x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 6x. Let's bring this in. Minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 6x minus now 36. I need a cube and a square, and 36 is same thing as 27 plus 9. So we have minus 27 plus 9 is equal to 0. So we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 6x minus times 27 is minus 27 minus times plus 9 is minus 9 is equal to 0. All right, now we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 6x minus 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. Okay, minus 9. Now I want to introduce 0 to the left hand side of this equation. We are going to see why, because that is the only thing that will help me during factorization. Okay, so to introduce 0, I will add plus 9 minus 9. Plus 9 minus 9 is still 0. So I have not actually added anything to the left hand side of the equation. Amazing, right? If this is the first time you are seeing us, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload daily. Please always check at your convenience to watch our new uploads, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if this is the first. Give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. All right, now we are going to collect like terms. So we have x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. Okay, then we have minus x squared, right? So we have minus x squared. Okay, then plus 9. This plus 9 thus can be written as minus 9. Okay, now notice that I've taken plus 9, remaining minus 9 and minus 9, and plus 6x. So I will have plus 6x minus 9 minus 9 is minus 18 is equal to 0. So we have x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 minus x squared minus 3 squared. So notice that I formed difference of 2 squares from here. Plus, now let's factorize 6 out. 6x divided by 6 is x. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, is equal to 0. Now note that when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, that is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now in this our case, I'm talking of this. In this case now, okay, our a is equal to x, our b is equal to 3. Okay, so if we substitute here, we are going to have, though before that we have another what is it called, another algebra identity here, which is what difference of 2 squares. Now for that one, a squared, permit me to clean this, we don't even need it for now. Okay, all right, so for this, note that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So that simply means that we can recall our a is still x and our b is still 3. Now let's expand this and this using this identity and this identity. So for this is going to be a minus b, that is x minus 3, multiplied by a squared, that is x squared, plus ab, that is plus 3 times x, which is 3x, plus b squared, which is what, 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, all right, now minus x squared minus 3 squared, which is same thing as a squared minus b squared, will be what, a plus b, that is x plus 3. So we have x plus 3, okay, multiplied by x minus 3, x minus 3. All right, now plus this, plus 6 brackets x minus 3 is equal to 0. All right, now when you look closely, you see that we have x minus 3 here in this term. We also have x minus 3 in this term, and we also have x minus 3 in this term. Now let's factorize it out. If we bring it out, x minus 3, we open our brackets. When the whole of this is divided by this will remain. x squared plus 3x plus 9 minus, when this is divided by this will cancel this and x plus 3 will remain. So we have bracket x plus 3, then plus, when this is divided by this will cancel this and 6 will remain. All this is equal to 0. So we have x minus 3 into x squared. Let's open the brackets and collect like terms. So we have plus 3x plus 9 minus times x is minus x, minus times plus 3 is minus 3, plus 6, okay, is equal to 0. All right, now let's continue. So we have x minus 3, open bracket, x squared has only x squared, it doesn't have a like term. Now 3x minus x will give us plus 2x, and 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, okay, is equal to 0. Now you can see that x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x squared plus 2x plus 12 is also equal to 0. So from here we can see that x is equal to 3. This is the first value of x. Then from this side we are going to solve this using the quadratic equation formula. Now what does that formula say? Permit me to clean this, okay? I'll just leave this because this is where we are. All right, please, have you given us a thumbs up yet? If not, please do that. Okay, now this is what we want to solve. X squared plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. You have already gotten the first x to be equal to 3. So let me now clean everything. Okay, now look at what we have. We solve this using the quadratic equation formula that states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Okay, now a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, b is the coefficient of x, which is 2, and c is our constant, which is 12. So we substitute this into this place to have that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12. Okay, I'm just substituting values, divided by 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 1. So x is minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 48, right? Because this is 4 times 12, which is 48, okay? Everything divided by 2. So we can write that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of, let's factorize this 4 out. 4 divided by this is 1. 48 divided by this is 12. Everything divided by 2. We are almost through, okay? Yeah, we are almost through. Now our x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by minus 11. Okay, yeah, everything divided by 2. So x is the same thing as minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 11 multiplied by square root of minus 1, right? Yes, because this is the same thing as square root of 4 times square root of 11 times square root of minus 1, okay? Everything divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 11i, everything divided by 2. Now if you look at this, notice that we can factorize 2 out. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we do that, we have x is equal to 2 brackets minus 2 divided by 2 will give us minus 1 plus or minus this divided by 2 will give us root 11i divided by 2. Now this will cancel this. So you can see that the second and the third value of our x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 11i. Thank you so much for watching.